Function or mapping. A function is a special type of relation. Let A and B two non-empty set. Every element of first set relate with unique element of set B by a definite rule. Then that rule F is called function or mapping, denoted by this symbol. A subset F of A cross B is called function or mapping if every element of A associated unique element of B, that is to say F is subset of A cross B. Condition for mapping: image should be unique and every element of first set should be covered. There should be any unique image of every element of set A. That is 1 and 2 point. Image and pre-image. Suppose fx is image of x, that is denoted by y, then x is pre-image of y. Domain of f is first set, codomain is second set, and collection of all images which is subset of B is called range of mapping. Kinds of mapping: onto or surjective mapping. Suppose A and B are two set, every element of set B is covered. That means every element of set B is image of some element of set A. Then this mapping is called onto mapping or surjective mapping, that is denoted by FA is equal to B. Collection of all images covered B. Into mapping: if we collect all set of images and that is subset of B, FA is subset of B, this is called into mapping. And if one element associated with one element, that is called 1-1 mapping. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. x1 not equal to x2 implies f of x1 not equal to f of x2. Many one mapping: if two or more than two elements associated with one element of set B, that is called many one mapping. Okay, 1-1 onto. If mapping is 1-1 and onto both is called bijective or 1-1 onto mapping. This is symbolic or pictorial form. 1-1, one element associated with one element, 1-1 and onto all element of set B covered. 1-1 into, है ना? If one element associated with one element and some elements are left, that is called into, 1-1 into. Many one, two or more than two element connected with one element, that is many one and into, because some elements left. All elements are covered, that is called many one onto. Composition of mapping: if F is a mapping from A to B, F is a mapping from A to B and G is a mapping from B to C, then GOF is a mapping from A to C and FOG is a mapping from C to A. That is called composition of mapping. Inverse mapping: inverse mapping is defined from B to A, where F is a mapping from A to B. F inverse y is equal to x and y is equal to fx. Now we show that mapping F such that R to R e to the power x, this is 1-1 mapping. F of x1 is equal to f of x2, that means e to the power x1 is equal to e to the power x2. Consider log both sides, we get x1 log e is equal to x2 log e. If we cancel log e by log e, we get x1 is equal to x2. This is condition of 1-1 mapping. F such that R to R, fx is equal to x square, gx is equal to sin x. We have to show GOF not equal to FOG. GOF x means g of fx. G of fx. Fx is equal to x square. Then we get g of x square. Okay, this is sin x square. FOG, f of gx. F of gx. Gx is equal to sin x, and fx is equal to x square, that means sin x whole square, that is sin square x. Gof we find sin x square and fog we find sin square x, both are not equal, hence this is proved. A function f such that r to r is defined by fx is equal to cos x and gx is equal to x cube, fog and Gof, this we have to find. Gof x means g of fx, g of cos x, and gx denoted by x cube, so this is cos x whole cube or cos cube x. Fog x, f of gx, f of x cube, that means cos of x cube. Gof x is equal to g of fx and fog x is equal to cos x cube, both are not equal. Pigeonhole principle. This is also called shoebox principle or Dirichlet-Roer principle. If more than two objects contained in one container, that is called pigeonhole. If number of pigeons are more than number of pigeonholes, then one pigeonhole must be occupied by two or more pigeons. That's why this is called pigeonhole principle. Suppose there are 30 students in your class and 20 benches are for sitting, then one bench occupied by more than one student, then only all students can sit. If we generalize pigeonhole principle, we get this formula n minus 1 divided by m. This is greatest integer function. N minus 1 divided by m greatest integer function plus 1. Okay, n is greater than m. Always greater quantity is pigeons and smaller quantity is pigeonholes. Such we see there are two shoes in one shoe box. That's why this is also called shoebox principle. Now to example, prove that among 10,000 people there are two who have born exactly the same time, hour, minute, second. 10,000 people are pigeons and there are an hour from any day, may be chosen two way, either AM or PM, 3 AM or 3 PM. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So m is equal to 2 into 60 into 60, 70, 200 second. N minus 1, put this formula, n minus 1 divided by m greatest integer function, we got 1.39. By the help of greatest integer function, this is equivalent to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Similarly, this question prove that among 1 lakh people there are two who were born on the same time. Assume 1 lakh as a pigeonhole and there are 24 choices. 24 into 60 into 60, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and there are 24 hours in a day. So we get m is equal to 86,400. 1.16 plus 1, that is equivalent to 2. These are the examples of pigeonhole.